Family, carpet cleaning trainer with Dreddy. Hey, it's a cold morning, man. It's a cold Monday morning. Woo! But what y'all up to out there? Getting the truck ready. All right, I'm trying to see what chemicals I need. Do you do that in the morning? Last week, I used a lot of peroxide. Them carpets are filthy. All right, pet treatment. Oh my God, man, these people and their pets. You know, I did a lot of tile. Tile. I need that. Well, actually, I think I got a second bottle. All right, we're good, actually. All right, I felt like I needed to release the pressure. Oh, I was looking for this. But yeah, guys, it's the morning. Make sure you got the chemicals and everything you need for the day. Very, very important. I'm gonna be doing some snap caps. That's these. And if anybody knows about this old school, sometimes the carpet have these brown spots that can only be taken out. I'm thinking, well, it's called brown out. Can't tell you exactly what's on there. The bottle is very, very, very old, but that's some good stuff. It still worked. I used it this Wednesday for this. This is one of the portables that I did a review on first before the new Lotus. So yeah, just getting things together, making sure I got my nails. All right, I'm looking for my kicker steer tool. No, this is the steer. This is a steer tool. The tuck. And this is your roller. A good hammer. A good staple gun. Good thermal. Hey, you gotta have glue stick. And you know, vice grip. You never know what you need to fix. But yeah, man, definitely you need a good blade. That's a must. Definitely need your Phillips. You know I love this. I love this a lot. This is a time saver. Just get up underneath these transition strips in front of the kitchen and bathroom. Bam, bam, knock them out. So guys, make sure you got everything in your toolkit, man. Make sure you always have a DU on your truck. That's another thing. Okay? So I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna be true to you. People, we out. Love you. Remember to subscribe and like. Peace. Have a good week.